Lag out. I'm a rich nigga, like I don't know. I could change if I wanna, but I won't though. Just do it right, even when I'm on the wrong road. Real talk from the heart, what I'm known for. Skinny Jane.
Alright guys, we got her running amazing now. I'm gonna go ahead and start her up for you. That way everybody can hear it, and we'll see how it's gonna go. First start of the day, by the way. She probably don't start on the first one, but we'll find out. Find out which key it is here. Key on and start. Oh, well, we got something. Oh. She died. Oh well. Still warming up. So, but yeah, throttle works a lot better. I just need to get it idling better. Cams sound amazing. By the way, I figured out what was wrong. It wasn't my TPS that was wrong. It turned out I had a clogged map sensor, and I was running a stock Honda. Was it like 1.7 bar map? And well, it was just clogged, honestly, and it was keeping it from actually running. So what I ended up doing to fix that is I went ahead and I used my old GM 3-bar map. Is what I should have been using anyways. Wired that in, tied that into the map sensor wires, which is this right here, the factory map. This is the 3-bar. And then once I did that, that fixed my problem as far as like giving it gas and stuff. So like now it's like it's really good, and it runs really good. So yeah, that being said, I guess I'm going to keep tinkering with this thing and see if I can get her run really good. So I got to get her warmed up here, but once that's all the way fully warmed, I can start playing with her more. So, alright, well, thank you guys. Like and subscribe. I'll probably make more of this video here in a little bit, but yeah, we're getting somewhere now. Wow, those cams just sound so good. Come on, don't die, baby. There we go. It just sounds so amazing. Lobing like a drag car. She's about to die, but it's alright. Bit of two-step for y'all. It's set at $4 grand right now. Yeah, everything seems to be dialing in. I'm just letting her warm up. Make sure nothing else is going bad with it. two-steps working, a lot of things are working. I got a huge mess to clean inside this car. Fuel pump, fuel cell, I got a lot of work to do. What's up, guys? It's me, Brandon. Anyways, yeah, I really don't know what happened to the turbo. It had a lot of in and out shaft play and stuff, and then all of a sudden it went bad. I'm about to make another video on taking it apart, and PayPal wanted me to send it to get another technician to look at it. But anyways, thank you guys. Like and subscribe.